Have you ever dreamed of creating videos that captivate your audience? Imagine your viewers fully immersed in your content, free from distractions, eagerly exploring your most captivating ideas. And the best part? You don't need a Hollywood studio to achieve that level of brilliance. You can transform even the smallest space into a professional recording studio with a few simple tricks and dash of creativity. Today, we will unlock the secret to turning every single centimeter of your room into a cinema-like set where your videos will shine. Before the camera starts rolling, let's reveal the secrets to winning over your audience. Clean, organized background that sets the perfect scene. By eliminating distractions, your viewers will fully engage in your content, eager to explore the video. So, before you hit record, take a moment to prepare your shooting space. Arrange everything thoughtfully. A clean background creates a professional and captivating atmosphere that will keep your audience hooked, from start to finish. But wait, there is a small favor you can do for me before we move on. Show your support to my videos and channel by clicking the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. Lights are the soul of any video productions. Even in small spaces, they can make miracles. Embrace the beauty of natural light as your primary source. Position yourself near a window to bask in the sun's soft glow. Try to avoid a bright background in the frame to prevent overexposure. This simple trick will make your subject truly shine. If natural light isn't an option, fear not, we can turn to artificial lights. LED panels, for example, are our best friends in small spaces. We drastically elevate your production value, thanks to their compact size and easy to use. If you want to do an extra step, add a small dedicated softbox to them to soften the light. With proper lighting setup, the perfect atmosphere and the mood for your content. Try different lighting configuration to find what's works best, even your shot that cinematic feel. Also consider using objects and decoration to enhance the ambience of your set. Thoughtfully choosing elements can add depth and visual interest to your scene. Remember not to overcrowd the space. Focus on the essential features that complement your content and contribute to the overall narrative. For example, place fresh ingredients or cooking utensils nearby if you're shooting a cooking video. These simple touches can immerse your viewers into the experience and add a touch of enchantment to your content. Lights are essential. Adding visual brilliance, depth and creativity is equally crucial. You don't need a hefty budget to achieve the glamorous cinematic look. Adding a small object in the foreground of your shot provides an additional dimension to your videos. It's a subtle touch, but it works like magic. Suddenly your audience feels connected to your video. Now, let's dive into one of the secrets to getting a glamorous cinematic touch in your videos. Use a corner in your room. Whatever you're shooting, a vlog, product reviews, or creating storytelling, incorporating this single trick instantly elevates the quality of your content. It's perfect for both static and cinematic shots, like this one. If you're filming an interview or conversation, the corner arrangement adds professionalism and refinement to the frame. If you're interested in another little trick, use lines. If you use lines of your room and furniture, you can direct your audience attention towards the subject you're filming. Managing audio in small spaces can be tricky, but fear not. We have the solution you need. Consider to show with wide-angle lenses when using shotgun or lavalier microphone. This technique keeps the microphone closer to your subject, giving your videos a professional audio quality like never before. However, small rooms have a sneaky habit of turning into echo chambers, bouncing sound all around. You can use sound-absorbing materials such as blanket, pillows, carpet and panels. These tools ensure your audio is clear, immersing your audience in your story. Consider using a dynamic microphone. These microphones isolate your voices from external sounds and noises, allowing your audience to follow every word of videos without distractions. In conclusion, Video Magic awaits those who dare to record even in the tiniest spaces. Share with us in the comments which method you can use to create videos in your room. And always remember to keep your setup tidy and organized to enhance the visual appeal. Setting up in a corner adds step and focus of your shot, making your videos visually irresistible. And doesn't underestimate the power of audio. A good microphone adds sound-absorbing materials and ensure your storytelling sparkles without annoying echoes. Although some may think placing light randomly won't make any difference, it often leads to poor results, like this one. However, to achieve the fantastic results you desire, this video has a secret waiting for you. So embrace your creativity, experiment, and let your passion illuminate the scene. We'll see you next time, but remember, gears don't matter, you do.